Morning of July 10, 8 o'clock. Gonna do Conness Lake by Saddleback Lake, 20 Lake Basin area right before Yosemite's Tioga Pass. I came here to do the hike, Conness Lake, 2 weeks ago. The trail was going to the lake, was snow covered, so I just did the Saddleback Lake. So here I'm gonna try again. It's been very hot the last 10 days or so, so the snow should have melted. We'll see. It's 6.6 miles, and it's fairly flat up to where the trail starts going up Conness Lake, about 900 feet. Right. 2 weeks ago I was going on the trail here. There was a big patch of snow from up there all the way to the lake, very deep. So I had to go around it, go up and go around. All gone. It's amazing how fast the snow melts here once the blowtorch starts in July. It's backpackers rush hour. Past a lot of backpackers coming back. A lot are going up the 20 Lake Basin backpacking. Good, the rocky portion is done. I'm doing Saddleback Lake clockwise. Staying on the left side. Another mile. I'm gonna start going up to Conness Lake. A lot of backpackers going and coming with mosquito nets on their heads. I put 100% teeth on my face. I'm okay for now. Until we get to that swampy area, that won't even help. Very nice trail here. Once you're done with the rocks. 2 weeks ago I came up to here. It was too much snow. The trail to Conness Lake goes up there and then up there behind, I think, that area, and then the lake is up there. Like another 300-400 feet of elevation gain. Yeah, I crossed here 2 weeks ago and went and did the full loop of Saddleback Lake. So I'm gonna try to go up to Conness Lake. My watch says I've done 1.8 miles. All trails shows 2.6 miles. I don't think I've done 2.6 miles. Anyway, another mile to go, I think. We'll see. Beautiful. Doing another trail check. There's not much of a trail right now. Faint footsteps in mud. So, according to all trail app, to go up. I remember last time I went up to the lake there. Go up through those trees somehow. Zigzag up there. Alright. A lot of bear paw prints too. I missed the trail. I ended up on the left side of the stream here. Coming up. It's very easy to lose the trail. So I checked my all trails, kept saying I have to be on the right side of the stream going up. So I crossed the stream here. Got my feet wet. It's okay. So I have to go up there now at the base of the waterfall. It's time to go up there. We'll find out. Managed to find the trail. This All Trails app is very helpful. I remember I have to go to the right of the stream here. Go to the right of the snowbank. The last time I went to Conness. And up there is the basin where Conness is, up there. Almost there. Beautiful, look at that. I came from all the way down there, see the trail. I Got lost, so I ended up on that side of the trail. I crossed the stream and came up. That's Saddleback Lake. Saddleback Lake. Alright, let's go. Made it to Conness Lake basin. The lake is there, over the mound. Maybe another quarter of a mile. Beautiful. 2 hours to here. Decided to take a snack break. The scenic area, it's basically like a little island in the middle of the lake that divides the upper Conness to lower Conness behind this rock. That's how I came. The trail here. I went up this, it ends here. Then you have to go up. I went up that hump of that rock, went over up there, and then down, back on the trail, went up there, crossed the creek, came down the trail here, take my snack break. I'm all by myself here. So it took me 2.5 hours to get here. Started at 8, it's 10:30. My watch says I've done 3.4 miles. All trails is off. It says like 4 miles. Alright. Back to the trailhead. It's 110. 7.5 miles. 1,000 feet of elevation. But 5 hours of hiking. A little less than 5 hours of hiking. 10-15 minutes of break. Last time I was here, was dodging a thunderstorm. I had to shelter in that